Alrighty, here we go. 2019 Prius. It has 83,000 miles on it. Got a burr up my ass. Gonna go ahead and change the transmission fluid. I got these 4 quarts here. It was like 52, 53 bucks off of Amazon. My buddy told me he has a Corolla hybrid, and he says he watched some guy on YouTube, some good Toyota mechanic, and anywhere from 60 to 90,000 miles, go ahead and change out the transmission fluid. And I'm at 83,000, so figured might as well, you know. I'm almost there at 90, so yeah. I went ahead. I just got done doing my oil change, but I have it up on ramps, and then I jacked up the back, put jack stands under it, so that way the car is level, so it's not like slanted. So that way I get an accurate reading when I open up the fill plug and stuff. So yeah. And in case you don't know what to jack it up, there's like a little horn thing in there where you put your jack. Alrighty, so this plastic piece here has got to come off. Oh, pretty sure it's a bunch of 10mm bolts and screws and whatever you want to call it. So I'll go ahead and start taking those out. Oh fuck, those are in there. Wow, I love it. Oh, previous owner like annihilated a curb and like ripped out all the underbody, like my whole left side like underbody piece is like gone. So like, and then I hit like a nice curb and like jacked that up there. So like, you know, so just go with the flow there. I really hope that was the right bolts. I don't think it. We are back, and we have pry tools. Oh, this is gonna suck. Oh yeah, that's broken. I love that. Son of a bitch. Alright, I'm probably not going to record this because I'm pissed. So these suck. I just broke the first one. I hate it already. The tab's broken off in there, so that's just delightful. Cute, cute. Alright. Yep, I'm probably not recording this because I'm pissed. I'll be back whenever. Alright. I got this piece down. All of these, if you got about 90,000 miles on your car, mine were all brittle. I only got like 2 of them to come out in contact, so I'm going to have to order some of those. But just do the best you can. I used some needle nose pliers, and I had these kind of pliers. I don't know if these, what the hell these are called, but I tried being delicate with my plastic pry tools, and they still were breaking off. Like this top piece that you pull out was brittle and was breaking off, so I'm just going to have to order some of those, probably off of Amazon. But maybe stop by the dealer sometime. But well, yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this, I guess. Okay, currently hanging out under the Prius. Here is your engine oil pan, and right here, if you kind of have no room here to move around, so bear with me. So we have the drain plug on this, and then up here is the fill plug. So
I'm going to go ahead and crack the fill plug to make sure I can break that loose before I go ahead and open the drain plug up and drain everything. So here we go. So I got my 10mm Allen socket, whatever you want to call that, in there. And I'm going to go ahead. Oh shit, of course it's tight. Oh fuck. Okay, that's broken loose, so we're good to go there. Yeah, we're good to go there. That's loose. Well, I guess I will go ahead and start draining this out. Oh shit, that hurts. Okay, got my drain pan here underneath. It doesn't look too bad, honestly. And the transmission, the owner's manual, it had it at 3.8 quarts of fluid in here. So when this is done, we'll put the bottom drain plug back in and we'll start pumping in some fresh. Got 4 quarts there, hopefully. Shouldn't be any more. They say not to overfill it because you don't want it puking out of your CV seal, I'm thinking. CV, yeah. CV axle seal. So, yeah. Okay, and in my pan, it's a 7 quart pan, I think. And the markings over there on the side, it's right under 4 quarts, if you want to believe those markings. So, there you go. I'll go ahead and we will put the drain plug back in. Let me try to find a rag here. Wipe that off. Let me put that in. Take your 10mm. Go ahead and put some torque on it. Don't know how much torque should be on it, but I think it's tight enough. And we'll go ahead and start filling her back up. Get this pump kit here at the AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts. Put it on your bottle. Oh, fuck, this sucks. Well, there's your washer. That's cool. For your crush washer. That's nice. Go ahead and take that off. Hopefully I put the right one on. Yep, beautiful. Go ahead and stick that hose up in there and start pumping away. Okay, this was the 3rd quart I put in. Just transfer the bottle over like that. and just continue pumping away. Okay, I almost got about the 3.8 quarts in, so it should start puking over here. She's starting to puke. Let's say she's full. You can see there she's running out. I'd say that's good. Now, okay, there you go. There you have it. Go ahead and tighten it back up. It's tight. I'm going to just double check the drain plug just because. Happy with that. Happy with that. Here's your comparison. This was 83,000 miles. This is the fresh, the ATF WS Toyota. But yeah, glad I changed it. All right, I think I mentioned this when I was taking out all the clips holding in that underbelly splash guard, whatever you want to call it. They broke, but I just found like, I think it's 20 of them on Amazon for like 10 bucks. So I got those coming. They'll be here in 2 days. But for now, I was able, out of all the 10 of them, there's 10 of them in this bottom piece. And I only was able to not annihilate 3 of them. They're like that style there. So what I did was I put them on the back, and then I zip tied the ends. You can get a zip tie around that nicely. So whenever they come, this should be pretty stout. So next oil change, when I have it up, I will go ahead and put the new ones in. But yeah, I have it zip tied on the back corners. So the back corner zip tie, and then all these bolts still can go in the front piece nicely. So it ain't as sturdy as like, it's sturdy enough, but I don't think she'll go anywhere. But yeah, just figured I'd let you know that. Hopefully that helped you. Hopefully you got a better idea of it. You know, it ain't too crazy involved. It's just a little time consuming. Definitely recommend go to AutoZone, get you this little pump. I think it was like 10 bucks. I did it on I had it for my Silverado when I did the diff and transfer case and all that. But definitely recommend getting this. It's like I said, 10 bucks at AutoZone. Fits a bigger mouth and a smaller mouth. So definitely essential for the job. But yeah, thanks for watching. We out of this bitch.